Hello friends, we are back again with another video which is about Mahindra Thar old versus new. The new generation Mahindra Thar has grown in size and is more premium than ever. So what else is new? Let's find out. Mahindra has revealed the second generation Thar in the country after a super long wait. It's bigger, more premium and more feature loaded than the first generation Thar. There are new engine and transmission options this time around as well. We are also happy to report that new model has managed to return the rugged charm of the first generation Thar. So let's see how they compare in our detailed old versus new gallery. In terms of design, the 2020 Thar looks similar to its predecessor with plenty of identical design elements. The size is the major difference between both models. Here's how they compare. The front end of the 2020 Thar is flattered and the extra width is very evident. It comes with Mahindra traditional slatted grille and round headlamps. However, the grille get a slightly different design this time around. Also notice the new LED TRLS which sit on the flat wheel arches. The turn indicators are placed right below them. At the rear, the 2020 Mahindra Thar comes with LED tail lamp. Just like the first generation Thar, the spare tire is mounted on the tailgate. In profile, you will notice that 2020 Thar is larger than its predecessor. Right from the length to the alloy wheel and even the flatter wheel arches, everything is bigger in the new car. While the old Thar comes with the factory fitted soft top, the new one can be had with 3 roof options: fixed soft top, convertible soft top and hard top. Step inside the 2020 Mahindra Thar and you will notice that the cabin is more premium than before. It's also IP54 water and dust rated for added protection. The foot wells are also washable and the water can be drained out as well. Also have a look at the height adjustable driver seat, a feature that was missing in the old model. The center console now comes with a touch screen infotainment system and below it sits around AC vents and the knob for controlling the air con. Also new in the updated instrument cluster, which is more modern and pack more information than before. The new Thar gets a ton of new features. Highlights including power windows, steering mounted audio control, cruise control as well as keyless entry. Unlike the old Thar which come with side-facing rear seats, higher variant of the new Thar come with forward-facing rear seats that are more conventional and safer. Another cool addition is the roof-mounted speakers that are also water-resistant. The new generation Thar scores high on safety when compared to its predecessor. While the last batch of the old generation Thar come with ABS only, the new one goes an extra step and comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, hill hold as well as rear parking sensor. Powering the Thar diesel is a 2.2 liter motor that develops 130 PS of power and 300 Nm of torque. Want a more refined experience? You can have the new Thar with a 2.0 liter petrol engine that dishes out 150 PS and 320 Nm. Here's how both the engines compare to the older Thar in terms of power output.